Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum, beautiful peoples. How are you? I hope you are doing great and well, and I hope that you are in the condition of health and iman. So viewers, in today's video I am going to show you these beautiful, amazing and gorgeous ideas, the stunning and adorable collection and beautiful ideas. And look at these beautiful ideas. These are the bestest beautiful phalaenopsis flower arrangements and gorgeous phalaenopsis flower arrangements ideas. Look at these beautiful phalaenopsis flower arrangements that are so much stunning, and look at these beautiful phalaenopsis flower arrangements. These are so amazing and gorgeous ideas. Their colors are so eye-catching. These flowers are so cute and literally the amazing. And these beautiful colors, these are almost available in almost 8 to 9 colors like yellow, white, pink, blue, dark maroon, dark purple, light purple, parrot, also red, and also available in different contrast colors. And you can also make these beautiful flowers colored by put them in the color which you want, like put some color in the water and then put these flowers in that color. But dark colors are my favorite. So viewers, if you like this video, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and with your family members so they can also enjoy these amazing and gorgeous ideas, these beautiful and amazing and stunning collections. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. If you press the bell icon button, then you will get all the notifications on. And also comment us and tell us that which type of videos you want to see, so we will make the video on your request next time. And anything which is related to our channel, which is related to these beautiful ideas, so you can easily watch all that type of videos in our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching.